Hi, have you been feeling that your everyday life is just a little too much? It's like every day it is full of the same frustrations. So let me tell you what is going on and how it is that you can help it. First of all, what is happening is that your brain is now just focusing on those stressors. And it could be because maybe you have been assigning those stressors such a high intense reaction when they're occurring. Or maybe it is just because it's happening every day and you're focusing on it every day. Therefore, the brain is thinking that this is what you want to focus on. And this stressor is what is important for you to just look at. Now, as you're doing that, then the brain can only match the feeling of the emotion that you have been creating every day. So if it's a frustrating feeling, then or emotion, reaction, then the brain is going to create a frustrating feeling. Okay, your brain can only create the emotions or the feelings that you have attached, the emotions, the intense emotions. So if you have a stressor and if you remain calmer about it, your brain is not going to focus in on it. Okay. If you have a stressor going on that's daily and you're just saying that as long as this stressor is in my life, it's going to wreck it. Okay, well then the brain is going to just make sure you feel every day that it is just wrecked. So what you can do to help your brain to guide it to refocus, you're going to start building some mental resilience. And you can do that by two easy ways that a lot of people know. And that is actually gratitudes and affirmations. Okay, gratitudes is focusing on what is good in your life, and affirmations is identifying who it is that you are in life. Okay, and I do with DIYmentalboost.com enhanced affirmations. So these enhanced affirmations will actually brain rewire your mind really super fast. So you don't have to for 21 days say that I am calm, I am peaceful, I love my life, I'm so grateful for this. You don't have to just keep repetitiously doing that. What you do is you just sit down and you do the enhanced affirmations or the enhanced gratitudes. And what this is going to do is help to rewire how you're looking at that situation quite fast. You're just guiding the brain to look at it different. You can also do just a straight brain rewire, which is sit down and say, this is the problem that I'm looking at it. This is how I think it makes me feel. This is what I think it means. And then you're going to rewire it so that the intensity emotion, the intense motion, the intensity of the emotion starts to decrease. Now, the reason why we want to do this is because why? Well, first of all, when you're in a low vibe, an intense low vibe, the brain cannot find solutions because it is focusing on the fact that it is fighting to keep you sane, so to speak. And so it is all focused on that, which means it's not focusing on how to get out of the situation, how to correct the situation, how to see the situation. It's only to keep it right where you're at. Okay, so that is why when it comes to unwanted circumstances, unwanted situations, unwanted feelings, we want to address them. You don't ignore them. You don't avoid them. If you actually pause, pay attention, and take productive action to address them, they will recede. And instead of them becoming super powerful and affecting your ability to look at your life and see the good in it, you will be able to stay focused on what is good. Keep the big picture in mind. Make good out of any situation. Okay? Assume the best. That is what you're able to do when you remain in a high vibe. When you go into the lower vibes, all of that goes away and your brain cannot guide and help you. Okay? So your conscious brain, part of your brain right now, is to know this and then to aid your subconscious. Because your subconscious is all the programs, 90% or more of your programs are being guided by your subconscious. And if there's a subconscious program in there that keeps causing a glitch, your conscious mind says, oh, causing a glitch, I can go in and change it. And you can rewire your subconscious thought patterns. And that's what we do at DIY Mental Boost. So if you're sitting there saying, man, everyday life is just not good, you're going to want to refocus. You're going to either do affirmations and gratitudes, the enhanced ones, the way we teach you how to do it here at DIY Mental Boost, so that you're actually doing a subconscious change, not just saying words, but it doesn't really have an impact. You're not feeling it. Okay, when you do the enhanced affirmation, it helps you to feel what it is that you're saying, or just do a straight brain rewire. You're going to watch one of the self-guided videos. Of course, you know, I put a link up there so that you can just click over to them and select one that you want. Probably any of the ones that are dealing with unwanted thoughts or feelings. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost. I am so glad you are here every day taking up this information, this food for thought information that is helping you to build mental resilience. Because the difference between your recovery, the difference between whether or not every little thing is knocking you off, is due to your mental resilience. What is it that you have done? So your brain has a library of tools and a library of programs that when something comes along, like a GPS system, it just knows how to reroute it. Doesn't get frozen up. Glitchy. Oh, wait, it's glitched. I can't see it. I don't know what's going on. If you learn to build mental resilience, rewiring your subconscious thought patterns, any of the ones that are not being the most productive, you can go ahead and rewire them. So you're going to build a mind full of very useful and purposeful subconscious thought patterns. And that is how you build mental resilience. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and we will see you next time. Of course, you know I'm going to give you a little 3-step relax your brain right now. It's just 3 minutes long, so enjoy it.
On the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me. No one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make your way the distance I see someone waving